So here's your Seesaw task today. On the back of the calculator paper is the another array paper. Now, I know it didn't scan the whole thing, so I apologize, but you can see what we're doing here. So I want you to go to your camera, and we talked about how to hold things to take photos. I want you to take a picture of this. When you take a picture of this, it'll go to your camera roll, and then what we're going to do is we're going to upload it into Seesaw. So here's the process you're going to go through. Go to your Seesaw app, and remember, if the QR code, if you're not already in, you can use the QR code and scan to get in. It's over on the wall by the front door of our room. So you're going to go to this screen, and then in the top right corner, hit the plus sign, and then you'll post to your journal. I think it goes right to this page for you. Once you see the screen, make sure you hit camera roll right here, not photo. Okay. Once you click camera roll, you can access that photo you just took, and voila. Now make sure you hit the green check mark to choose that. So everyone now has this screen. What I want you to do, and this is by yourself, is I want you to answer this question. How many cups of yogurt were in this case when it was full? So you're going to have to figure out how many cups of yogurt there were. One little circle is a cup. Okay, so one of these is a cup of yogurt. Okay, let me just hit erase all drops. So we want to know how many cups of yogurt were in the entire case. You can figure out however you want. However, you're going to need to be able to explain it. So what I want you to do is think about it for a little bit first, and then when you're ready, you're actually going to use the pencil tool, and I want you to hit record. Okay? Hit record. And when you hit record, you're going to be able to talk and write at the same time. And it's going to record your explanation of how you want to solve this. So again, however you want to do it, but think about it first. So you might have your special strategy that's completely different from someone else's. And I don't want to start giving you hints and giving you options. I just want to hear what you would do. But just to reiterate, your overall objective is to find out, for example, here's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just in this section. How many of those yogurt circles were in this entire thing? Okay? There's a lot of information for you to look at and think about. So however you want to solve that, I want you to figure it out, but it does say, how did you figure this out? So you're going to have to either explain it in words, or you can explain it in numbers by actually showing the work that you did. No matter what, you have to explain it, whether it's writing things up here and then doing different things. You just need to show it in writing and explain in writing and words with your mouth how you solved it. Okay, so here's how you do that on this. You'll hit record, something like this. It'll say recording in 3, 2, 1, and now it's recording your touching and your voice. So you're going to say things like this. All right, how many cups of yogurt were in the case? Well, here's what I did to figure it out. Okay, write your answer and say I, and then you can actually explain what you did, and you'll do it in this space right here. Okay, so once you've done that and solved it and you're sure you have it right, you're going to go ahead and hit pause on the recording, and this will show that you're done. Up in the top right, you can then hit the check mark, green check mark. It'll process that. If you want to add anything else, a caption or something, you can, but otherwise you'll just hit the green check mark again. You're going to select who you are, so I'll delete this, Sammy. And then hit the check mark again. And now I think I have it set where it will ask you what folder. So I want you to click Math Explanations. and then you'll go ahead and hit the green check mark one more time, and it'll go ahead and save it to your Seesaw, and then I'll have to approve it later once I get that notification. So that's how you're going to go through that